What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the show today. I'm going to be showing you guys just how well my wrap has been holding up here. I've been on there for about maybe a month and a half. It's been sitting outside for a while, but we're going to look at it, look at the details and see how good the DIY wrap can really be. So from far back, she still looks premium. So for the most part, the car is holding up pretty well. I'm going to show you some little minor details where it's kind of peeling a little bit around the edges and some bubbles that are forming. So let's take a look. So around here, it's starting to get a little bit, what do they call this, Ben? It's starting to come up a little bit. I didn't tuck it underneath this just because that was going to be really, really hard to get off and then take the top off, and just, it was really bad. Which somebody's going to fact check me on that. So you don't have to take the freaking top off. You can see inside here, it's kind of coming up a little bit. The worst part, I think, is around the mirror here. It's getting a little funny. I had to put some filler pieces like right there. It's kind of coming up, kind of fingering. But honestly, the mirror itself, like, you don't think it looks that bad. Like, even like right here, it still doesn't look bad. I kind of did it not to how you're supposed to do these door handles. You're supposed to pop them off and make sure you got everything around it. I just threw it over and kind of cut around. Not terrible, not the best, still looking okay. Decent, like up here around these corners, kind of getting a little funny, but the car's been sitting outside for the past 2 months in the sun, rain, and everything else. One issue I did have was kind of trying to fit this in here. Coming around here, I'm getting a little bit of bubbling and peeling there, probably just from the heat. And then I got another bubble right here, which kind of sucks. Same thing right here, it's kind of peeling up. But these areas, those areas right there were kind of really hard to try and tuck and stretch and all that kind of stuff. And I probably shouldn't have stretched them as much as I did. Same thing right here. It seems like these like corners and like curves and all that kind of stuff are kind of problem areas, especially whenever you're stretching it. But like looking at it again, it really doesn't look terrible. It's just those kind of parts where I had to stretch it in and try and make those work. We had an incident at the drift track. I didn't really make any videos about this, but blew the throwout bearing out of the car and it's making a really nasty sound. And with it being so low, we came around a turn hot and heavy, and this got up into the wheel, bent the wheel, kind of got that going. And then this tire is a little bit chipped away. Same thing with this door handle, just in here, because I had to piece these pieces in, and right there you can see it's kind of coming up. And then over here you can see I had to piece this stuff together because I screwed it up and didn't have that much left. Down here, oh yeah, you guys didn't see this. License plate blew off whenever I was going around the drift real hard, and had to find it. A couple guys ran it over, you guys can see, and then I zip tied it to keep it on there. But it's holding up even like around here. Like, it doesn't look terrible. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse than this because it's been sitting outside, and I'm actually somewhat impressed. So just to fill you guys in, we're gonna be taking the transmission out, clutch, just looking at everything, and probably replacing the throwout bearing because I think that's what's wrong with it. Thank you to Avery Dennison for making a good product for even a DIY guy that has no idea what he's doing and put it together in his garage. But guys, watch for my next video coming up here real soon about the new tow rig over there that I got. So we'll see you next time. Peace.